How to sell Worldcoin on Binance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sell Worldcoin on Binance. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. Open up your Binance first. After you open up your Binance, you will need to log in into your account as well. Then make sure you're on this page. Let me just exit that. Now here you'll need to search for WLD. So head over to the search bar, type in WLD, and there we go. Now tap on the WLD. After you do that, here you can see the current rate and everything of WLD. And now if you want to sell your Worldcoin, tap on the sell button on the bottom right. After you tap on sell, you can then simply choose how much amount you want to sell. So let's say 500, and there you will see the total USDT, or basically your WLD. Tap on sell and follow along with that process. And that's how you can sell Worldcoin on Binance. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.